Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I don't know why I'm talking like this. If you guys have been subscribed for a while and you also have a good memory for random and pointless facts, then maybe you remember that every year right before Christmas, I like to do a pre-Christmas declutter to kind of get rid of as much junk as I can and be as organized as possible as we move into the new year. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a little bit of a power declutter, although if I'm being completely honest, I don't have a lot of pep in my step today. And also I have been decluttering my room pretty intensely over the last few months, so I don't know how much we're going to be able to get rid of, but more than anything I do need to, well, deal with the mess, because there's a lot right now, and reorganize this space. Like I moved back into this room, what, 6 months ago? Oh, actually that's quite a while. I've been procrastinating. We still haven't really settled into the space and like made room for everything. I guess that's what we're gonna do today. If you guys enjoy decluttering videos and this kind of thing, then I will leave my decluttering playlist in the description box for your viewing pleasure. But for now, let's just get this over with. I'm not feeling it. Am I ever feeling it? I don't know, but today I know I'm not. So here is the situation as it stands. I just have a lot of random stuff kind of out of place and just clutter. This is a very small space and I'm used to having a lot more room than this and a lot more storage, so that's my excuse for storing things on the floor. So I don't want to do obviously a full KonMari declutter today because I just don't want to, but I am gonna have a quick rummage through pretty much everything, like my wardrobes, my drawers, my makeup, and just do a quick scan through to see if there's anything that I can get rid of or anything that's like in the wrong place that can be moved around. Wish me luck. So that's a lot of hangers that I just had hanging out in my wardrobe. My wardrobe now looks half as full just because I had so many hangers, empty hangers, just chilling in there. Getting kind of dark and I am not a fan of that. Oof, that lighting sucks. Okay, but I just wanted to come in and let you guys know that just like every other decluttering video I've ever done in my life, I started out by saying I don't have a lot of clutter, I don't have a lot of stuff to get rid of, and then here's the pile so far. Clutter multiplies. It creeps up on you, you think you don't have any, but no matter how much decluttering you do, there's always more to get rid of. Mostly I found that I had a lot of like really gross underwear, like socks with holes in, and like a pair of socks that I must have had when I was in school, when I was like 16 years old. Nobody needs socks for that long, that's gross. So that's cleared a little bit of space out of these drawers, and now I can move on to, what am I gonna do next? Ugh, what looks least challenging? I guess I can do a quick rummage through the shoes. I got rid of a lot of shoes last time. I know there's still a lot in there, but if I could even just make sure they're all in the right boxes, that would make my life easier. I don't want to get rid of any more shoes, okay? My shoes are like my children. Next, I need to tackle this monster. Yes, I'm watching Carrie Dayton at the same time and love it. This dressing table slash desk slash work area slash filming zone slash where I do literally everything, as you can imagine, gets pretty messy. I don't know if messy covers it, honestly. Yeah, there's a lot going on here, and I also kind of want to go through the drawers and see if I can rearrange things to free up a little bit more space, because since I did my no bio project pan, using stuff up, I have a lot less products, so I could probably free up a drawer, maybe, I don't know. Good news, I managed to rearrange some things, and now I have a whole new drawer setup that is probably going to confuse me for the next 6 weeks. And I'm gonna have no idea where anything is, but it did create some extra space. So now, and also this is filthy with foundation fingerprints, but I'm gonna clean that up later. But in here is where I have all of my day-to-day stuff: glasses, contact lenses, deodorant, the stuff that I'm gonna reach for all the time. Then we now have a lot more makeup in this second drawer. It's powders, eyes, and face powders. Did I say powders twice? Powders. Down in here, I have all the lip products and liquid face products. This one is pretty much the same in that it's just like hair, nails, and vitamins. And then the bottom drawer is still a complete nightmare that I am not dealing with today. But then on this side, I managed to clear up this drawer that I can just put like random bits and pieces in, like my camera, my, what is this, external hard drive, that kind of thing that never had a real space before. Then this drawer has all of my Etsy packaging supplies, so I can package up all of my orders. I have hair products in this one, random beauty stuff in this one. This is still a mess. And then of course everyone's favorite, candle stash. But as I'm looking at that now, and if you guys have been with me throughout this year, this no buy year that I've been doing, then maybe you remember that these drawers were full. And I mean, I didn't have like an Etsy packing drawer, a drawer for just like my camera and stuff. Every single drawer was full. And now to be able to have those two drawers that are not dedicated to any beauty stuff, that's a big step forward for me. Next, we're gonna move on to this shelving cabinet thing. So this is just a mess. I know I dealt with this during one of my recent decluttering videos, but it has reverted back to just being a mess. Just a lot of stuff gets stuffed in there that really doesn't belong there. So if I can just move that stuff around, find a new place for it, we will be good. I just spilled essential oils all over the place. Oh no. Diffuser down. So I actually managed to get rid of quite a lot of stuff today, which really surprised me. I thought that it was just going to be a case of tidying things up, putting stuff away, not having it all on the floor. But when I went through, I realized there was a lot of junk. I was still harboring a lot of junk. This is how much junk I was harboring. It's not all junk. Like for instance, some of it is stuff like this needs to go to my brother's house for my niece. This also needs to go there. There are some clothes I want to sell on Depop at some point. But yeah, also there is a lot of junk like broken angel wings. This really awful Santa costume. Just stuff like, why do I have this? So yeah, I'm feeling really pleased about that. It's definitely looking a little bit more organized in here. I do have to go through and do a deep clean because there's foundation fingerprints everywhere. I know this was a really quick decluttering video for me, but it was really quick. It barely took me any time just because it was a quick scan over and just picking things out and throwing them in the pile. This is a really great way of decluttering if you just have like an afternoon or a couple hours and you want to feel productive but you don't want to pull everything out and do a big KonMari declutter. Just have like a peek through your wardrobe, your drawers, see what's in there, pull stuff out. It can be really effective even if it's not a full day of like epic intense decluttering. You can still get rid of a lot of stuff. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. I will be back tomorrow with another video, but until then, remember that I love you all so much and I will see you soon. Bye!